So help the scholarship.
Thutha wa gweterera kwa ihinda rĩa mwaka ũmwe, riu aciari aria maikĩtie ihoya kuri thirikari ya kaunti makĩenda ũteithio wa scholarship cia mathomo no mahũmũke. O nĩ thutha wa gavana wa Nairobi Johnson SAKAJA kuruguria mubango uyu umuthi kuria makiri ma arutwo matanyitwo kugunĩka.
And therefore I'm proud to announce this first phase of the 170 million shillings scholarship program. It benefits approximately 4,000 bright and needy learners from the city ambao wako national and extra county secondary schools.
Scholarship ici iheanĩtwo kuri arutwo thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Nairobi aria mathomagira thukuru iria cirĩ gũkũ thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Nairobi ona nja ya kaunti.
These parents today they come here with hope. The one thing you've restored to these parents is hope. Kwamba watoto wao mwaka huu watakuwa shuleni.
The scholarship program is about dignity. It removes uncertainty for parents. It restores confidence for learners, and it allows schools to plan better. Behind every voucher today that we're going to give out, every family is going to breathe a little bit easier.
Hamwe na tafarira ino, thirikari ya kaunti no iranĩire gũthiĩ na mbere kũgacĩrithia tafarira ingĩ arĩ hamwe na gĩthomo kĩa natharĩ, tafarira ya irio mathukuru-inĩ, waki wa irathi hamwe na mangĩ.
We are encouraging the Ministry of Education to keep investing in primary schools and secondary schools for our children. Watoto wetu wa secondary school wala kwa day schools najua pia wanaumia. Kuna wengi wametuomba tupeleke dishi na county pia kwa day secondary schools. And it's something we're looking at to see if it is possible.
Ona kuhanoro uguo, SAKAJA akiuria aikari a kaunti ya Nairobi kuriha magoti kuona ono uguo tafarira ici ingĩkinyanĩra.
Watu wa Nairobi, ambieni wenzenu walipe kodi, walipe business permit, walipe land rates. Hiyo ndo inatoa pesa ya hii scholarship. Hapo ndo inatoka.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.